Hello students, thank you for watching my previous presentation which was a noun and its types. Now you know about noun and its various types. So today we will learn more about noun, that is lesson 4 gender. Okay. So in this chapter we will learn about definition of gender, means what is gender, and types of gender, that is masculine gender, feminine gender, neuter, common gender. So here what is gender? First of all we'll know what is gender. So the definition of gender is here. The gender of noun indicates whether a person or animal we are referring to is male or female. So gender is also a noun which indicate whether it is male or female. Male may refer to boy, female refer to girl. So a noun which indicates whether it is boy, he or she is a boy or girl, whether animal it is boy or girl, means male or female. Now that is known as gender. Example is Sita is a girl. So here girl is there. Sita is not boy, she is a girl. So it comes in gender. Lion lives in jungle. So here lion is a male. That's why lion is as it is a noun. Okay, because it is animal. Now in that what it is, male or female, means lion comes in male, so that is male gender. Proceeding further, types of gender. Okay, there are various types of gender. One by one we'll see. Masculine gender. Okay, so here we'll read first the examples. Anju is the head boy of our school. Peacock is the national bird of India. So masculine generally means which indicate about male, boy. Okay. So here boy and peacock is used for male. That's why it comes in masculine gender. As you see in the picture, the head boy is there. Anju is there. He is the head boy of the school. So he is a boy. That's why he will come in masculine gender. Peacock is there. Peacock refers to male. Okay. That's why it comes in masculine gender. Second one we'll see. Second is feminine gender. Okay. Example we'll see. Syra worked as a waitress in an Italian restaurant. Second is the actress gave a wonderful performance. Here the underlined word means highlighted word are waitress and actress. Okay. So the word girl, waitress and actress both refers to a girl, means female. They are female. That's why they come in feminine gender. Okay. Now see in the picture. Okay. She's giving a performance. The actress, one of the actresses there. So she's a girl, female she's. That's why the gender of her, what it is? Feminine gender. Now you see she is serving in the restaurant, Italian restaurant. Who is she? Syra. Syra is a girl. Okay, that's why she come in with gender, the feminine gender. Proceeding further, more types of gender we will study. That is neuter gender and common gender. Okay. So common gender, the words doctor can be used for male and female. It is called common gender. Example we'll see. Reema is a doctor. Ranjan is also doctor. Okay. So here both are common, which refers to both male and female. Reema is a girl. She is a female. Okay. And Ranjan is a boy. He is a male. But both are what? They are doctor. Okay. So doctor comes in common gender. It can be male and female both. So where both is there, it comes in common gender. So what is common in both? Both Rima and Ranjan both are doctor. So here doctor is common gender. The next we see neuter. Okay, examples we'll see first. Raja bought 2 pens and 2 pencils from the stationery shop. Okay, here pens and pencils are there. We don't know pen is whether male or female. Okay, we don't know pen is boy or girl. It is a thing. That's why. So it comes in neuter, which we cannot identify whether it is boy or girl. That type of gender we'll call neuter gender. Dolly loves to eat pizza and pasta. So here the word highlighted, underlined, pizza and pasta. We cannot identify whether pizza and pasta is male or female. It comes neither in male nor in female. That's why pizza and pasta also comes in neuter. The last is mummy picked up flowers from the garden. While picking up the flowers from the garden, we cannot identify. Okay, neither it is male nor female. Okay, so that's why flower also come in neuter. So the word pencil, pen, pizza, pasta, flowers are neither male nor female. These are called neuter gender. So this all were types of gender. Thank you for watching my presentation. Have a nice day.